Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am thrilled to have you here because today I am going to show you how to make a mouth-watering chicken sukka for 80 to 100 members. This recipe is bursting with flavor and is perfect for any meal. Let's get started. Firstly, take 8 kgs of chicken and to that add 1.5 liters of curd. Here I am adding 1 kg of sliced onions and 1.5 kg of fried onions. To that add 1 bunch of coriander leaves, 200 grams green chilies and 1 bunch of mint or pudina. Me add all the powders, that is 200 gram of coriander powder, 100 gram jeera powder, 200 gram garam masala powder, 300 gram chili powder, 50 gram turmeric powder and 50 gram pepper powder, 200 gram ginger garlic paste and 200 gram of Everest meat masala powder. So I'll be adding 10 strands of curry leaves. Then 250 ml oil. Add salt as per the taste and mix it thoroughly until the meat absorbs all the masalas. After mixing it for nearly 5 to 10 minutes, keep it aside for 30 minutes. So to prepare tomato puree, let's take 1 kg of tomatoes and boil it until it's soft and mushy. After cooling it down, let's add it to the mixer jar and then make a fine puree of it. So to cook this recipe for around 80 to 100 people, we'll need a huge degi or a cauldron. To that, I'll be adding half liter refined oil and then we'll add the marinated chicken. Make sure the oil is nice and hot but not smoking. The chicken should cook evenly and get that perfect texture. Cover the lid and cook it for nearly 15 to 20 minutes on a low flame. Then add tomato puree to it and give it a good mix. And finally add 100 grams of crushed garlic to it. Cook it for another 5 minutes and then your chicken sukka is ready to eat. I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care.